The 2025 Toyota Hilux arrives with a renewed focus on keeping drivers, passengers, and everyone around the vehicle safer than ever. After undergoing the latest ANCAP evaluations, the Hilux earned strong results across every major category, showing how much work Toyota put into updating its trusted utility vehicle for modern safety expectations. What stands out most is how the cabin holds its structure in demanding crash situations. Even in the frontal offset impact, the passenger compartment remains stable, offering good protection to most body regions and adequate protection to areas like the driver's chest and lower legs. Side impact performance was impressive as well, with the vehicle scoring maximum points in several assessments. Families will appreciate the effort Toyota made in child occupant protection. The dual cab variants provide proper ISOFIX and top tether anchorages, and the Hilux performed well in both frontal and side crash tests involving child dummies. While the center seating position does not support child restraints due to the lack of a top tether, the outboard positions earned full points for installation. The Hilux also takes vulnerable road user safety seriously. The autonomous emergency braking system performed well across scenarios involving pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, adding an extra layer of real-world protection. Features like cyclist anti-dooring alerts and lane support technology further improve confidence while driving in crowded environments. Advanced safety assist features round out the package, including speed assistance, lane keeping functions, and a driver drowsiness monitor. These technologies work together to make everyday driving less stressful and more secure.